Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick review video on the Makita MAC210Q. It's the 2-gallon, 1 horsepower quiet series air compressor at only 60 decibels. That's about the equivalent of a normal volume room conversation. It's low profile, it's easy for storage, and let's go ahead and get that out of the box. So here it is out of the box. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Nothing you can't tote around on your own. Upon first inspection, everything looks good. It's got that beautiful Makita blue that we all love so much. The 1.5 horsepower model actually comes with 2 outlets for the hose adapter, which, if you're doing a lot of stuff, like a lot of trim work and things like that, you might need it maybe to hook up both an 18 gauge and maybe a 23 gauge nailer. But if you're just doing little things around the house, or, you know, quick and easy jobs where you only need one thing, this will work perfectly fine for you. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how loud it is. So as you can see, extremely quiet. What I've been using currently until I got this is the Husky 8-gallon air compressor from Home Depot, and when that thing kicks on, you can't hear anything else. But this, you know, I could hold a conversation while it's running, and, you know, it's not going to freak out any dogs or animals that you got around when it kicks on. So I would definitely say that it's well worth the money for the quiet series. I've now got it hooked up with my 18 gauge Makita AF506 18 gauge nailer, and let's see. Now, at only a 2-gallon capacity, it will be running fairly often, but not too bad. It says that it only runs at about 1750 RPMs, which should give the machine a longer life. And I think overall, I'm very pleased with this purchase. And I'm not sponsored by Makita at all. I do use Makita tools mostly. And like I said, as I always am with them, I'm extremely pleased with their products, and I'm excited to see how much this works out for me. Thank you all for watching.